Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. Let's start another lecture on EDEM software. So in this video I will teach you how you can create a custom built model or geometry in EDEM software. Okay, let's suppose we want to create a box. So first we have to create the material like for our geometry. So under this option, right click on it and then go to add material. So here we can specify the properties like the Poisson ratio and solid density and shear modulus or Young modulus. And like if it's made up of steel, then you can specify these values according to steel. Okay, so now we have create a material one. Let's suppose I also want to create another material, and you can change these values according to your requirement. And now I have created two materials. One, let's suppose, is steel, another is aluminium. So you can change the name. Okay, so you can give the name, like let's suppose this is steel and this is aluminium. Aluminium. Okay, so you can also specify the properties from here. Okay, so you can modify. I'm not going to uh, discuss in detail about the material, because in this video our main purpose is to we can use by default options of geometry creation. Okay, so just right click on it and here you can find a option that is called add geometry. So under the add geometry you have three custom built parts. We can create a box, we can create a cylinder, and we can create a polygon. Let's suppose I want to create a box, so just click here and here we can give the name. Let's suppose box 1. Okay, so you can give any specific name. Okay, so you have created one box. Okay, so under box you can see here is its volume based box, and here is the type. So here you can see it's physical, virtual, dynamic domain, or recorder. So you have to first you have to know about the physical and virtual. The physical, it means that if we create a bulk material, then it has a physical contact for that material. If it's virtual, then it will be present but it don't have any a contact or any this will not give any output. Or okay, so we want to create a physical model, so we will select physical. Okay, so here as I have created two materials here, so from here you can specify the material. Let's is box 1 I want to make a steel. Okay, so this is okay. And the next phase is mass, so it will automatically calculate because we assign the material, then it will automatically calculate this. Okay, and next is box. So here you can see here there are three options. So these are the length, width, and height in x, y, and z direction. So it's 1000 by 1000. It means that it's 1000 millimeter is here, 1000 millimeter is here, and 1000 millimeter is here. Let's suppose I want to make 100 by 100. Like this is 100, this is 100, and z is 1000. So x is 100 and also x is 100. Okay, now you can see it's changed its size. So from here you can specify its size. Okay, so you can specify any size that you want to make. Let's suppose you want to make a bed or you want to make a container, so from here you can specify its dimension. Okay, there are six options. These are the basically walls. If you want to make a closed cylinder, so you have to check all. Let's suppose I want to make the walls and the bottom, but I want to put it like don't want to be closed from the top, so I have to uncheck. If I uncheck this one, you can see that the wall from here is disappear. So it means that now it's behave like it's a cylinder but it's open. So from here you can specify any wall of this box. Okay, so this is clear, and the next step is the moment. So you can it has a 60 degree of freedom. X, y and z, this is the distance. If I want to move in x direction, y direction, z direction, so I can move. Let's suppose I want to make this move in x direction is 100 millimeter. Okay, so from here I will select 100, and now it's move in x direction. Similarly, you can move on y direction. If you will put minus, it will move in reverse direction, so you can use this to move this one. Okay, and the next is rotate. If you want to rotate this body, this is around x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is around z-axis. Let's suppose I put it 45, so it means that it will rotate around the x-axis. So now you can see that it's rotate. Okay, so from the transform, you can also rotate at any angle around any axis. Okay, so this is all about box. And similarly, if we go to add and then we go to cylinder, similarly we can select as a physical body, or here we can select, let's suppose, material. So we assign material to this one is aluminium. Okay, and similarly for cylinder, here are its dimension. So here you can see that it's 200 is radius, and one end is 500, like the above is 500 and the bottom is 200. And if we make it also 500, okay, now you can see that. So this is the length, so we can increase or decrease the length. Let's suppose I want to make it just 100. So now you can see that in this way we can change. And this is also have two options, like the open, close. So if I close this one, so it don't have the bottom, we can say bottom, so it's, we can say it's open. Okay, so it's just disappear the bottom plane or bottom part. So in this way we can keep, and we can remove the wall top and the bottom. Okay, and here is the transformer. Similarly we can let's suppose we want to make it rotate at 45, and you can see now it's at the 45 degree rotate. See, so from the transform you can rotate and you can move. This is all about the custom develop uh, geometries. So we have just a limited option. Okay, polygon and this box. And so in this way we can create our, if we have a simple model, we need to create the bed or anything, then we can use this one. But we also have an option, if our model is complicated, then we can import the file. So in the next video I will teach you how you can import the file that's created in other software. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos.